Hi everyone, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is James. I'm a lecturer and ACCA qualified accountant from the UK. As you can see from behind me, these are just some of my notes from my studies of ACCA. And the point of this YouTube channel is that I'll be uploading my content from my notes directly from what I studied to benefit you guys. There's going to be no gimmicks in terms of animations or fancy glitter balls or anything like that. It's going to be me and the camera, and I'll just talk you through it and try and add as much value as I possibly can. So my notes go through the points just like in your textbooks, but you've got all this extra bits on the side which I'll talk you through. And I'll be there for the whole journey from start to qualification, as I've been in that situation where you've been at work all day, you're tired, you've got other commitments, and you've got to sit down and go through some studying. So that's why I really hope the videos do come into play and it gets you to that final piece and you become qualified on there. So like I said, feel free to subscribe at the bottom. It's Wednesday, June the 10th. I currently have 0 subscribers, so it'd be great to have you on board. Feel free to ping any queries you've got in the messages below. I'll answer all of them. I'll do some videos on them as well and keep you posted how you get on as well. That's the other main thing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe so you get updates when they come out. And on that bombshell, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.